ज़ियावान साहब से दरख्वास्त करूंगी कि वो आए वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए। ज़ियावान।
Assalamu alaikum. Being member of the board, I have been requested by the the ex-Chief Justice of Supreme Court of Pakistan, Justice Sayyiduzzaman Siddiqui, to say vote of thanks. Or I really admire the speech of the Chief Justice, who has given the right direction to us that what we have to do, and I am thankful to him that he has taken time. His time here is showing that how much interest the judiciary is having in these kind of alternate dispute resolution, that where we can be achieving our goal to get justice. And the justice, if you really want to achieve, which I have learned in my life, that if the political will is there with the judiciary on the same page, then you can achieve the goal. So therefore I'm thankful to Zafarullah Sahab also, that he came all along for this meeting from Islamabad, because he has been informed yesterday by Dar Sahab, the minister, that you have to go because he was not able to come, and I'm really thankful. And he's the right person because he's a doer, and I feel that he will do it what he is saying. And then when I heard our friend Ms. Dr. Alvi and Dr. Farooq Sattar, and I can see other politicians who are from different political parties, and they have given their assurance that they are going to support this legislation, as well as I will say that nobody has talked about the resources which NCDR need, because NCDR is not having that much resources to reach out. So that is something which I really wanted to press upon the government, at least provincial government and the federal government, to allocate some resources along with the building, so then we can do some good work. And I am thankful to all the judges of the Supreme Court and High Court, as well as the district court judges, politicians, law enforcement agency. I can see that the head of the ranges is also here, and I can see many faces who are very, very important. Business people, governor, State Bank, the president of the Summit Bank, and there are so many big bankers here, and lawyers, bar association leaders, they are all here. So I'm really, we feel that this international meeting has achieved the goal, and we should continue to create, you see, this kind of a forum, and especially two special guests from Belgium. I think your speech was very inspiration, you see, for us, that how mechanism is working there, and what kind of laws are there, and how you are promoting all this. And I think we will be also needing future help from you to achieve our goals. Thank you very much to everybody. Great, thank you.